Hyde Park if you translate it.
Ow! Into the thick of it!
Go, Barry.
But in daytime you have to pick it.
What are you doing, Jedaiah?
No.
Yeah, go, go.
This is the...
We got to bring our sugar. What are you doing, Viv?
I'm making my own breakfast. Lugo.
Look wow. Oh, I thought I put on the lights. Hey, the light doesn't work.
Hello! Battery's up.
And I'm also making my own breakfast and Mariah's breakfast. See? Some steak with, bread. Some more bread. Onions. Nice! And what did the kids eat?
Cornflakes!
Cornflakes.
Out of the way.
And what is the plan today?
What is the plan?
We are going to that open air thing. Well, we're going to the river. We're gonna go walk through a park. But we have also read something that there are some, what do you call it?
Nature museum.
Nature stuff and some open air things, interesting things to see. I even read something about open air museum, but I think that's not true. So
we're
yeah?
also curious to see what it's.
And it's walking distance. It's like 1 kilometer only from here. So
yeah.
and it is still dry. It is nice cloudy weather, not too hot. But we hope it's changed like that and it won't rain. So that's why you want to go directly after breakfast, after drinking coffee. Hey, we have to bring some coffee and drinks. Yes. All right.
Yeah.
See you.
Yeah,
maybe. Wherever.
Wherever.
Oh, who are we?
We are the
Hightrees.
We're the Hightrees.
Yes, and if you want to know if our channel is back, the Rodney Kids channel, then just check it out. We also do not know at the moment.
We hope that when you're watching this, it's back.
Yeah, but at the moment that we are shooting, it is not yet back. So, but at the moment that we're posting it, it might be. We're really praying and hoping. See you!
Slam dunk, are you ready to make me?
Somebody maybe you have to put aside the brandnetels there. Abby and me can't pass here with the
Brandnetels?
Hey, Hoshaiah, give me that one.
Moet papa mee?
Ja, papa, jullie moeten voor.
Nou, ik ga voor.
Jullie hebben, because of the nettles, we need some people here with
Shaya, jij moet tegenhouden daar. Dan kan Abby langs. Ja, dus ik ken niet als ik hier moet blijven staan.
Ja, dan moet je niet kiezen.
Evie,
Hey, Vivien.
why are you going in front? Go.
Oh, I can just do this. I have 3, but my face is only not.
This doesn't look like a park.
It looks like 100% Bob.
Oh, hurry up!
Oké, moeten we net zo doen
100% Bob.
moeten we net zo doen als één ding doen.
We gaan meteen lopen.
Oops.
Yeah, you better don't fall on the big road. Not sure.
That's good to know. Why are we green?
Here's some kind of
I
path.
see a house.
No, there's no paths. This is how we used to walk in Indonesia. There's no path here.
Maybe it doesn't exist.
I don't see an open area.
Maybe Papa just imagined that there was an open museum.
Well, there's open air.
But not a museum. We are crossing the border to America.
A little bit back.
America.
Now, come. No current.
Yay! Crossing the border.
Let's pull it up. Pull up here.
No, I think this is like nature.
Yo, no, you go underneath here.
Ow!
Oh,
Maybe you
now,
pull us up.
you think we're living in the city now? Now we're in the wilderness.
We just go back to the big road.
You don't have to walk through there. No, Mama wants to go straight.
Well, there's a pond over there.
Yeah, maybe there's also a water there.
I will go first, okay? I am a volunteer and you
We
don't.
should have walked all the way there. Don't go there.
I want to go through.
Oh yeah, we're not going that way.
Ow.
My dude.
So we either go that way or we go that way. There's also a path.
That way.
There.
No, not this way.
This is far. Far still. No, let's go back. Mama wants to go back, so listen to Mama. Go. Okay, that way.
Where's Mama going?
Mama, we're going that way.
Mama, bring the flowers. Bring the flowers.
Eventually.
Wow.
Go on.
Oh, don't slip.
Best part.
This is Fight Park if you translate it.
Best park. Fighting park.
Okay, now get off the ground.
Careful,
Careful.
Mama.
Cyclist.
A few minutes later.
Then little doctors jumping on a patient. Totally
What?
dead. Then little doctors
Into the thick of it.
jumping on
Into the thick
patient.
of it.
Patient.
Into the thick of it.
The doctor said, no more.
We're trampling through the woods. You guys are so uncultured. Weird.
Where's the... You have to start somewhere.
Is this
25 meters distance between you and the social distancing
for-
kind.
What is this for?
This is so that the animals
Animals.
can't get out.
But jammer is, we haven't been there yet. So we're starting
Let the
halfway.
dieren met rust.
Halfway, this is the entrance.
I don't see an animal. Oh, I found one!
I found one.
I've got one. I've got one.
Nice here, huh? Oh, we're not desperate, but the thing is, by the time you're watching this, it's maybe a month before we have to leave the place in the caravans, and we still haven't
Found.
Well, we've been offered options, but the person doesn't respond. We're not going to mention his name again, because we don't want to embarrass him or whatever. And but we do trust that God will provide. We do our best, and God has always provided. But wouldn't it be wonderful to be on a place where you have a lot of opportunities, like where you can swim, but also like when less sunny days, you can just walk around like this feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you were just saying, so nice
The weather is so nice for this walk
for this kind of walking.
and this nature.
Not too hot, you can even wear your
Yeah.
vests. And,
If you walk in the forest now, it's quite chilly, I think. But now, if you walk here, it's quite nice.
we might tomorrow, we might be going to our old place, Kapvan, where we lived for 7 months. You've seen most vlogs there, and then we go swimming as well. And we might also this week go to Germany and really to a city. So still a lot of things to do, but only a few days left. So, but if you believe in prayer, believe in the name of Jesus, pray for us, then so that we will soon have another place. And how wonderful would it be? It would be a more permanent place, which we can keep, even if we would go back to Asia.
Yeah.
Yes, so we can keep all our stuff there. Kids have the permanent place, because we have a permanent house, but that's in a close country, Indonesia. Haven't been back for 2 years now. Hey, we're off the cool path.
This is the path.
Yeah, but this is the boring path.
This is the more fun
cement.
path.
Hmm?
If us have to go there.
No.
Hoshaiah.
5 minutes later.
Papa wants to sleep here. Have fun, Papa.
No, we bring a tarp. Bring a tarp.
Go, Barry.
But in daytime you have to put it aside, of course. Think it will never rain.
Is this the purpose of...
I would really like to go wild camping with the kids. And Vivien, of course.
Camping there.
With our family.
Go camping there.
And maybe not even bring a real tent, just tarps.
Oh, the next one.
Oh, it's an obstacle course.
Is it really an obstacle course?
Omelet Beastmaster.
Nobody said to me that it was an obstacle course. Don't you mean the
Fail.
easy?
Fail.
See, all the people are
That's a checkpoint, by the way.
Yeah.
They always
Gonna make a nice picture. Hey, we're gonna make a thumbnail. The thumbnail that you saw on the vlog is made here.
Come on, Eddie, complete the course.
Yeah, but I'm supposed to be naked. No, I'm just not gonna be in it.
Eventually.
Kan ik hem ook groot? Ja. Oké, dan komt hij heel even lachen.
Ja, maak hem een paar.
Lachen, blijven lachen.
Ja, cheese.
Ja, die achterste ook lachen.
Hey, Jedaiah.
Ja, ik heb er een paar. Moet je even kijken of ze gelukt zijn.
Heb je wel gelachen?
Did you smile, Jedaiah?
Is het goed? Jo, super. Hoi hoi.
I have to go finish this course.
Go!
Ik heb blauw haar gekregen van de shampoo. My hair turned blue. I used blue shampoo to take away
Well, it
the
balances out with the yellow, so if you do it when it's already white.
the yellow gloss has to go away. And but this is a different shampoo than we used to. And now I see that my hair is kind of bluish.
Come on.
My mom will see this and say, why did you do that?
Why did you do
Why not?
Why?
What will be my kids and my wife's answer?
Why
Just
not?
because you can.
Yeah, oh, because you like it? Do you guys like it?
I think you have to crawl under those, Jedaiah, the next ones.
I think you need to jump.
No, you need to crawl.
Samuel, this is the professional way.
I'm hoping you trip. Guys, you know how to tiger crawl, right?
Yes.
Go.
Hey, what are you doing?
Go under.
Survivor like this. Baba, why is your ass up? Just stay down.
So the enemy can shoot his buttocks. And the winner is...
Jedaiah. Baruchel.
Abby's disqualified.
I'm wearing.
What are you doing, Jedaiah?
But there are some things to see, because there is that wooden thingy, and there was the rocks, which we were too fast, too far away.
Wait there.
And here we can drink coffee, even though it's lunchtime already. And do you I'm not sure you can recognize from this side.
The
If you
tower.
have been following us for a long time already, you could have seen on the Rodney's Kids channel. We've been making quite some vlogs here also. Also going to the hairdresser, but also really from the city, Heidelberg. Because this is the city where we used to buy our groceries. Because we lived about 10 kilometers from here, on the other side, in that holiday house near the swimming pool thing in that park. And then on the other side of the river, we vlogged with the small ponies, the draft ponies. That is not the one near the butcher. But you already lost. I got lost as well.
Oh wait, they're all the way there. I think there's one here.
Did you film the big ravens as well?
No,
No. Why did you turn it on?
I was filming the ducks.
But why did you film the big ravens? We were running to them. Here. Ducks.
Where is it?
Behind you.
This is nice nature. I like this. Yeah.
And but there seems to be many more animals here. I have seen that. We just saw the dunk. Did you film that?
The?
The big dunk.
No,
The
I
shit
didn't.
From, from cows.
But I know when we pass here with the bike, like on the bridge somewhere,
It must be somewhere here.
you can see like big cows or buffaloes or whatever they are.
No, we still go there. We're first going to do the jogging thing there.
Okay, Barry. Do something. Okay, go. Go crunch.
Huh?
Go up with your stomach. Just do like. One.
No, my legs.
Now, Evie, you try. Go up. Go up. Maybe take the bag off first.
Maybe we should try this one. This.
Go.
Swimbound for far.
There we go. And wee. Yeah, it's very hard to do.
Wow, Evie.
Like this? No, we should do this one.
Evie is so athletic. And so strong.
What is it?
It's a fake rock.
What do you think, Dad? It looks like it's made from cement.
Yeah, but it's fake because you can easily shake it and it makes this noise.
Yeah, it's hollow. It's not a real
Stone.
stone. See?
Hollow throne.
Oh, that's
No,
why
climb
it's
it.
called
Oh, he climbed.
I already climbed it. Let's do it again. Ouch. This is the best way. I found out.
This is the best way.
I don't know.
What's this?
I think like.
And then become a professional rock climber like this.
Okay. I went up by myself. Oh, maybe it was like this. I think it was this.
Als je gewoon een boom hebt, gewoon een beetje grof uitzagen. Ook zo leuk. Kijk, grof uitzagen zo. Net zoals we nou hebben gedaan ook hier. En misschien de andere kant zo. Wel dat je hier zit.
Ah, here's the best way.
Oh, look. There we go. And my feet are slipping.
I see dogs. I see dogs in the water. This is
Go.
Is this the museum?
I have no idea.
I think this is the
I did it. I did it.
Later.
And what is your father doing?
Papa is trying to make some coffee from me.
These are coffee cups.
From
Which
Dolce
you-
Gusto.
From Dolce Gusto, what you usually put in a machine. But we don't have the machine and we don't want to throw away the coffee. So I hope this is gonna work. But we have to, somebody has to hold this.
Oh,
Now I'll try this first.
careful, it's hot.
Probably takes a long time.
Drips.
Yeah, because usually it's under pressure. Shall we just make it coffee toebroek, Moriah?
Let it
Yeah, but it cannot.
sink.
Yeah, it doesn't work because I cut the bottom. Because here is some coffee coming already. Yeah, but it takes too long. It takes a very long time. See, it's gone already. But usually in Indonesia, you just drink coffee toebroek. And then you just throw the coffee inside It's dripping now.
But not only Indonesia, right? Like Turkish also.
Turkey, Greece. First time I ordered Turkish coffee. It was on the ship going from Italy to Greece, and then they gave me coffee, and I drank my coffee. I stirred my coffee with sugar. I stirred my coffee with sugar, and then I drank it, and my whole teeth were all coffee beans. I thought they were joking with me. I looked at the bar, but they didn't look back. They didn't look funny or laughing at me. So to make sure I was not been fooled, I ordered another cup of coffee, and I got the same thing. Later I only found out they put the filter coffee or the grinded beans inside the cup. Then they put the coffee and the sugar and everything. Then you just stir it, and then you drink it like that. You let it go down. All the coffee goes down like that. All the coffee goes down like that, and then you let it sink, and then you drink it. And in Indonesia you call it coffee tupuk. Yeah, but this is going to work not for here. So I'm going to cut this and let the coffee just go inside. Oh, can you hold this? Or this is going to be no, it doesn't work. No, you cannot hold. So I'm cutting this. Then I cut a filter, but this, like I said, this is for a dolce gusto machine and the pressure thingy. So we just throw the coffee inside here. All the coffee. And then you just put the water in there. And we forgot to bring our sugar. But you can put your sugar and milk in there. And then with the coffee, you just stir it. Oops! Now I made a mess.
But can't you just pour the hot water through the...
No, it didn't drip. So, it looks a bit messy now, but this is supposed to be like this. And then the coffee will go down and you can drink it. So if you don't have a machine, you can still drink nice filter coffee. So tip for all you guys who don't have a machine, you can just drink your coffee like that. Some coffee does sink, some doesn't sink.
Now you have
If else you can always filter it.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I've used a different coffee. Look, Samuel, I've used a different coffee. My coffee is already going down, but my mama's coffee, not yet. But the thing is, if you do a little bit like that, it will go down also. All right. Cheers.
Guys, I see a famous person. I see a famous person. Look, it's a famous person. Look, look. It's The Rock. It's not Moriah.
That's so funny.
A zebra! Let's get the zebra! Zebra! A zebra! Zebra!
Zebra.
A zebra.
Really, you're talking about... I'm thinking about
The
you.
zebra. Or it's Rogue.
This is Dwayne Johnson, and Drax is here.
And John Cena's right there.
Why is John
Drax?
Cena wrong?
John Cena and Dwayne Johnson.
Dwayne Johnson.
And the zebra from Madagascar. There's two black ones there.
They're coming. Oh, I'm coming to the rescue. To give them some food. Yeah, I love you too. Yeah. Good.
Careful, don't scare them away.
You're in my way. Yeah.
One extremely annoying shit later.
Well, we're stuck in the dog shit. Where are we? Huh? Yeah, you can eat them. Rosa bottles. Kun je shampoo maken, Vivien?
Oh, wow, what's the smell?
Vivien!
Yeah, you already did it to me.
I already ate one.
Vivien, you can't eat them like that. It's not nice.
I ate it. It was delicious.
No, you can eat them.
There they are. What are you doing?
You took the jalan lintas. shortcut.
I see.
I'm not sure if I have the...
Key. Mama has the key.
I have the key as well.
Ah, this was somewhat lucky. Mama had the key, we could wait another 10 minutes.
I'm an expert in human stuff.
Yeah. Welcome. Come inside.
Finally.
Come inside. Soon we close this vlog with some nice delicious coffee or something.
You in our house, which is not actually our house. You are welcome here.
You're welcome in our house, temporary house.
You're welcome in somebody else's house. No.
Yeah, but wherever we are, there is home.
And wherever we are, you're also there because you're watching the vlogs.
Yes.
You'll always be there.
We're gonna have hamburgers. Now, where's everybody to close the vlog? We're having some lunch with some hamburgers and some meatballs already. I think it's already fried, but you just have to heat them up and pre-cooked whatever. You just have to. Oh, I cut them. It's not pre-cooked, I think. You just have to make them brown. How do you call that? How do you call that? Make brown.
Yeah, golden brown.
What? Sear them. So we're gonna eat them with some bread or something or whatever we have. I'm not really, we had a late breakfast, so I'm not really want much. And then some porridge from Vivien. We're gonna finish. So can you guys please close the vlog? Yes?
I haven't liked it today. Share first about your
We enjoyed
walk
walking in the park and also standing on the rock.
And it was also really fun, the parkour thingy. Where you jump over the wood.
But we didn't see any oxes, huh?
Huh?
We didn't see any oxes or
We only saw dogs and
we didn't see
ducks.
any oxen or beef on legs.
Nothing. But they're there. Or
So,
they're
if
not
you
there.
enjoyed the experience with us, then like, subscribe, comment down below. Let's do it. Hit the bell.
Hey,
and
get
share.
on the other kids.
Oh, wait. Put your thumbs up if you want to, and you can comment down below because there are comments, obviously. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then somewhere here you can subscribe, and here's some vlogs you can watch if you're done with this one, and if you want to watch another vlog.
Maybe you were walking on the road watching that video where we were on the road walking on that vlog. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.